Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C260 running on a computer. I have here a Dell laptop and the camera can run here as long as I have the camera ready running on my cell phone as well. Here on my iPhone, I have the Tapo app. If you don't have it, you just need to come here to the App Store and look for the Tapo app. And here you see the TP-Link Tapo. Just download it, install, create an account and a password. Then you can just log in and include your camera here onto the app, right? Add the camera to the app. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set up the Tapo C260, okay? If you don't have it running here yet, just go watch the video and then you come back here. As long as you have the camera working here, you can watch the video from anywhere as long as you have internet. And then you can do the same with your computer. You just need to install the same app here on your computer using an emulator because you cannot install directly on Windows. So here on Windows, I'm going to use this BlueStacks emulator. You just come here to the BlueStacks.com, download it, install it, and you're good to go. Let me just open it up here. And when you open it, you're gonna see there's a lot of advertisement. It's a free software. You just need to use that way, okay? And then you can just look for your Tapo app. And remember to have your account, your Google Play account. You just need to link your account and you're good to go. After open the BlueStacks here, just go to search, here to the search bar, and look for Tapo, hit enter. And from here, you just need to click on search in Google Play here on the bottom, okay? Don't forget the part, otherwise it's not gonna work. And from here, you can see the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. You just need to log in with your credentials on the Google Play Store, and then you can find it. And then you just install it, and then later you can open it up. And here you're gonna see everything the same way you see on your phone. If I come back here to my phone, as you can see on the main screen, I see all the cameras, right? Then I can just tap on the Tapo 260, all right? And I can do the same here on my computer. Here I have the Tapo 260. Here I need to double click and I see the live image from the camera, all right? And from here I can control everything like take a screenshot, do the manual recording, control the volume, talk to somebody close to the camera, etc., right? Everything that you do here on the app, you can also do back there on the computer. So super simple. And the computer can also have multiple cameras working. Let me just show here. When you come here to this part, you just see single screen, 2 screen, 4, 6, and 9. So you can just come here and select 4 screen and add more cameras. So let's just add another one here. Let's say the Tapo C210 and the Tapo C310 and the C100. Okay. And then you can see multiple cameras at the same time, right? So it works pretty fine. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C260 working on a computer. I hope that helps. If you have some questions, just leave here in the comments and also subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.